Children, in this module, we are going to study The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. It's a chapter in your Footprints Without Feet, prescribed for class 10 by CBSE. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. So he still lives in Missouri, in Londor, and there he has spent entire of his childhood. The Indian Council of Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. So he was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Growing Dehra and his novel in English. And he was awarded Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. What he writes, his writings are beautiful and they are so interesting, and especially they intrigue the children readers of all ages. Before we begin the chapter, we need to understand that this chapter is a story of a thief who gets transformed. How does he get transformed is because of someone's kindness. We've often heard that kindness binds us to the kind. कि कोई इंसान अगर हमारे साथ अच्छा करता है तो हम उसके साथ जुड़ जाते हैं, हम बाइंड हो जाते हैं उसके साथ. सेकेंडली, पावर ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड द पावर ऑफ फॉरगिवनेस. ये दो बातें और हैं कि एजुकेशन चाहे वो पूरी तरह, इवन इफ वी डोंट हैव इट, इट हैज़ अ पावर, इट कैन चेंज अस. एंड द पावर ऑफ फॉरगिवनेस, वी फॉरगिव समबडी, दैट power of forgiveness can change the other person altogether. These are the three values that we are going to see in this chapter. It's a very interesting story about a thief, a boy, a child thief. I hope you are liking my classes. Thanks for being with me at eClasses with Shalini ma'am. I request you all to please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. If you do that, your gesture is going to really motivate me so that I create more such videos and bring more useful content for you. Thank you so much. Character sketch of Hari Singh. Hari the thief is a young boy of 15. For Hari, robbing has become something that he naturally does. Now, this suggests that he has been practicing his craft for a very long time. He's only a young boy, but this shows that Hari has to rob to survive. He has no other source of income. He is intelligent. He knows the art of winning confidence of others. He is a good judge of human nature. He knows that what a greedy man shows fear when he is robbed. Rich man shows anger and poor man shows acceptance stoically. He is vulnerable as well as sensitive to kindness and goodness. Because of all this, we say that he's very good in understanding human behavior. Now, though he steals Anil's money, but he returns it later. He seems to do this for two reasons. First of all, he begins to feel guilty about what is done. Secondly, because he has aspirations to be able to write. So something that Anil has promised to teach Hari to do. This may be important because he knows that learning to write is more than 100 rupees that he has stolen from Anil. It is also possible that Hari knows that he is betraying Anil by robbing the money, particularly when Anil has shown Hari nothing but kindness. It is as though both Anil and Hari have formed a friendship, which makes it harder for Hari to steal from Anil. So there's a friendship between them. If anything, Hari knows that by robbing Anil, not only is he missing out on the chance to learn how to write, but he is also betraying Anil by doing something that was alien to him, that he had never done, and that is returning money. Hari's life changes for the better. He now has a roof over his head, and Anil will pay him regularly. He will also learn how to write. He will no longer have to live on his wits or add to the scars on his face. Now, with an education, he knows he can be much better than a thief. And now his outlook on life changes, and now his prospects will also change. This story by Ruskin Bond has a simple plot with an important message. So there is a boy thief who befriends a struggling author. तो एक बच्चा होता है, बच्चा thief है, चोर है, और वो एक author को, अनिल को दोस्त बनाता है. When he introduces himself to Anil, he says his name is Hari. और ये पहला उसका झूठ होता है. And then he asks for a job और बोलता है कि उसे काम की ज़रूरत है. Anil gives him job as a cook. जबकि हरी सिंह, जो कि वो बच्चा है, उसको खाना बनाना नहीं आता, but he still says that he agrees. But Anil tells him that he doesn't have any money to pay him, so he will give him room and food in exchange for his services. This of course is acceptable because Hari doesn't want a job, he wants to rob him. तो उसको तो रहने का भी ठिकाना मिल गया, ऊपर से हरी सिंह के पास रहने की कोई जगह नहीं थी. Even when Anil finds out that he is a terrible cook, he doesn't throw him out of job. वो उसको निकालता नहीं है. Anil then teaches him not only how to cook but also how to read, write and count money as well. Hari gets a chance to scrape small amounts of money in daily shopping and Anil trusts him so much that he gives him the second key for his house. We come to know that Anil did not have regular income. He used to keep waiting for his payment checks क्योंकि वो एक ऑथर था, वो कोई सैलरीड पर्सन नहीं था, तो जैसे जैसे उसका काम छपता था, प्रिंट होता था, तो उसको उसकी पेमेंट मिल जाती थी. One day he receives a good amount and Hari watches Anil hide the money under the mattress. Hari gets an opportunity to rob Anil, but he hesitates to do so. He tries to convince his heart and recalls that Anil was the most trusting person he had ever met. Even then, उसका दिल नहीं मानता था, पर फिर भी वो फैसला करता है to steal the money and escape, और वो दौड़ जाने वहाँ से भाग जाने की सलाह बनाता है. As he has nowhere to stay that rainy cold night, he decides to catch a train to get out of town. वो सोचता है कि वो शहर से ही कहीं चला जाए ट्रेन पकड़ के, और रात को, उस रात बहुत बारिश हो रही थी और वो ठंड की रात थी. While waiting for the train, he recalls how his stay with Anil could have changed his life. वो साथ साथ में सोचने लग जाता है कि अगर मैं अनिल के साथ रहूँगा, मैं पढ़ लिख जाऊँगा, कुछ बन जाऊँगा, मैं कुछ सीखूँगा और ये चोरियाँ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं रहेगी. Just when he should have boarded the train, he lets it leave without him and starts thinking again. वो ट्रेन में चढ़ने की कोशिश करता है पर वो चढ़ नहीं पाता. वो ट्रेन को जाने देता है और वो सोचने लग जाता है कि अब उसे क्या करना, और वो वापस अनिल के घर पहुंच जाता है. Suddenly the friendship and trust become more important than the money. He feels sad to disappoint Anil and he thinks that learning a new craft is more important than practicing the old. वो सोचता है कि नई नई चीज़ सीखना ज़्यादा अच्छा और बेहतर है, सिर्फ पुरानी चीज़ों को बारी बारी करते रहना. तो क्यों ना पढ़ाई को, एजुकेशन को एक मौका दे. तो वो अनिल के घर जाता है और वहाँ पे पैसे रख देता है. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग ही वेक्स अप लेट. वो लेट उठता है और उसको उठ के पता लगता है कि अनिल को सब कुछ समझ आ गया कि पिछली रात क्या हुआ था. जबकि अनिल उससे सीधी बात को इस तरह की करके उसको बताता नहीं कि वो सब जानता था, पर वो समझ गया कि अनिल सब जानता था. बिकॉज अनिल ने वो जो पैसे उठाए थे वो गीले थे बारिश से. अब घर में बड़े पैसे गीले तो हो नहीं सकते. अनिल डजंट क्वेश्चन हिम. अनिल उससे कोई सवाल नहीं पूछता, लेकिन उसको समझ आ जाती है कि अनिल को सब पता है. 10 वो उसको उस टाइम बोलता है कि चलो अब हम आगे की पढ़ाई करेंगे, और अब उसे लगता है कि हाँ, शायद अब वो आगे पढ़ने के लिए तैयार था. उसके मन से ये चोरी करने की अर्ज थी वो ख़त्म हो गई, और एक वेल इंटेंशनड पर्सन ट्राइज टू रिफॉर्म अ टीनेजर. एक वेल इंटेंशनड, अच्छी इंटेंशन वाला पर्सन अनिल, अच्छी सोच वाला पर्सन, एक टीनेजर को, एक बच्चे को बचा लेता, उसको रिफॉर्म करता, उसको सही रास्ते पे ले आता है, जो कि एक गलत रास्ते पर भटक के चला गया था. There are some questions for your practice. Money can't make a man as much as education can. Elucidate the statement. Elucidate मतलब इस statement को expand करो, justify करो, comment करो, और chapter में से related इसके लिए points इसके relevance में दो. ये आपका long question है. इसको आप लंबे लंबे 3 paragraphs में लिखेंगे, अच्छी तरह से लिखेंगे, 1 पेज का मिनिमम आंसर ये बनाएंगे, तो आपको इसमें अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे बोर्ड करेक्शन में. What are Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? What makes him return to? तो what makes him return to Anil? ये क्वेश्चन के 2-3 पार्ट्स हैं. ये भी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन की तरह ही आएगा. आपको सभी पार्ट्स को आंसर करना है, और जब एक क्वेश्चन में ज़्यादा पार्ट्स हो तो उनको आप अलग अलग पैराग्राफ बना के आंसर कीजिए. Had Anil really forgiven Singh? Support your answer with evidence. Children, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. It was a detailed study of the chapter The Thief's Story for class 10. I hope you've understood it well. In case you have any doubts, get back to me. Keep excelling in English. Have a nice day. Bye.